What is up, guys? Farhan here with Za once again, and today we have the Za did a ride around before we actually recorded this, the intro and the ending. So we must take the designation lah. It's actually the ZT 155U. Yeah. So I confused also lah. Sorry lah.
Yeah. ZT 155U. Because in India they have the ZT 125U.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Za is going to test ride the ZT 155U and give his inputs on the bike, the handling, and how it handles, and a bit background on it lah.
This one has a shorter wheelbase as compared to the G150, and I expect it to be a little bit more nimble. Power wise is the same. It should have the same engine as the other one, and compare that one, this one has a wireless key system, so just need to on this. Okay, this one is the 150 ZTU 155. Alright, this one is a Street Fighter version. This one has a shorter wheelbase compared to the G155. Angular looks, angular body. Okay, stock suspension. It's hard so that you can, when you maneuver around corners, it will be more stable compared to the scrambler that has the soft suspension, which allows you to go over rugged terrains. Of course, handling wise, this is much more nimble compared to the scrambler, to the G155. Lighter, it's much lighter than the G155 because this is a Street Fighter version. Okay. Power wise, good. Power. Has 6 speeds, no? This bike has 6 speeds. Now let's see, going over bumpy courses like this. Okay, I think these stock suspensions are hard because it's more meant to be right on the streets, so you can corner well. A lot of vibrations compared to the G155, which has lesser vibration. This one has a lot more vibrations. Driving at 40 kilometers an hour and above, 40 kilometers and above, you don't feel much of the vibration. Let's see if I want to do a island slalom. Okay, not here. Once again. Okay, now let's try the corner. Okay, slalom. Very nimble, I like. Compared to the scrambler, this is very nimble bike. Okay.
You have ridden basically the class 2B bikes of the ZONTES series,
Okay.
and this is the ZT 155U. So what do you make of this?
Let's start off with the performance wise. The engine, this one has the same engine as the G155, but however, in terms of power to weight ratio, this one wins the G155 because this one has a smaller body, it's lighter as compared to the G155, which is heavier. Alright. And also because it has a bigger fuel tank.
Yes.
And you can imagine if it is filled up to the brim, it can be very heavy. In terms of acceleration, this one has enough acceleration to actually escape you from sticky situation, right? Although you cannot compare this the power to two-stroke bikes. Two-stroke bike has a more, even the RSZ 135cc has a more torquey acceleration compared to this. Right, of course, that one is two-stroke. This one is four-stroke.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Vibration wise, at low speed, you can actually feel a lot of vibration. But when you reach higher speed, 50, 60 kilometers per hour, you know, you can actually feel lesser vibration compared to when it's at lower speed. Handling wise, it has nice maneuverability. And because it has a shorter wheelbase, alright, it is nimble enough to actually do slalom.
I see. I pronounce it as Silom. So it's Silom or Silom?
Slalom.
Silom, huh?
Slalom. It's agile enough to actually, you want to cut through traffic.
Yeah, going between car, L course, whatever.
Crank course, all that. It is very agile enough to maneuver in traffic.
Okay, this bike, unlike the G155, the ZT155G, this has the relevant technology, like the transponder. I think the fuel tank is also electronically button.
In terms of looks, okay, looks wise, and because it is a street fighter, it has that aggressive look, in the front, very nice. Very sharp, angular. I know you like angular bikes.
Yes, correct. I kind of like this. I also like the 155G actually.
Ask me if I were to ride this long distance, okay, it won't be tiring enough because it's not too far out. The handlebar is just like nice, That's nice. Very close to you. You can actually maneuver.
Yes.
Everything on the ZONTES is actually made by ZONTES.
Yes,
I mean,
correct.
even the fuel reservoir, even the side stand is all made by ZONTES. It's one piece.
Yes,
Forged.
Forged metal.
Forged metal, yes. Compared to our bikes, which is welded. Compared to the other bikes in the same category, street fighters category, this one has a more futuristic look.
Yes.
Definitely a head turner.
A head turner lah. But then again, like I always say lah, the brand needs to gain the reputation first. Yeah.
But if you just slap a Yamaha over the ZONTES, people will be praising. Wow, this is so cool, man. Wow, either you slap on a Yamaha, a Kawasaki, or a Honda logo over the ZONTES name. People will be like, wow, this bike is so good, man. It's the same thing. It's a perception.
Yes.
It just needs time for it to win the hearts of the riding community here.
Alright. Okay lah guys, so that's it for our review of the ZT155U. Yeah. And we will have a few ZONTES bikes that we're gonna test out and review also. And that's it for the vlog, and we will see you next one.